abandoned. Look at it. These would have been all chalet room type things. I'm assuming they're all pretty much the same. So we'll go and have a look up here. I don't know why they couldn't have done something with this, because these are all like solid buildings. They could have easily just, someone could have bought some of them. Yeah, they're all like little rooms out there. You'd have had like 2 bedrooms, a living room, a toilet, a bathroom thing. God, that's tiny, that bath, isn't it? Weird. And a little kitchen. So this would have been your holiday apartment thing. So could have done something with this. They should have just sold it all off in bits, I think. But it's been long abandoned, this place. I've known about it for a long time. And I think a lot of other people know about it now as well. All the rooms are pretty much all the same on these chalet type things.